come get me and take me where I want to go. I love the Uber app. Now, in Japan, there is technically no Uber.
Right.
That's the way I understand it. But the Uber app works with their taxi service. So that's cool. All you do is open up the app, put in where you want to go, and it knows where you are, so they come and get you. It tells you the price before you ever get in. Now, that says 1,012. Well, realize
that's yen.
1,000 yen is about $7. So no big deal. You get in the car, you go. You don't even have to talk to the driver, which is a good thing because they usually don't speak English in Japan. And when you get out, the app has your credit card information and you're already paid. Oh.
What a relief.
Oh, it's really wonderful. I love the Uber app.